Sweet! Been looking forward to getting this lens. Kind of an all-purpose lens. I'm hoping to get rid of a few lenses, actually give them back to my wife for her camera. And yeah, so this should do the trick. Can't wait to get home to unbox it. Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel. So, Prime Day got me. Sure did. It got me good. So inside this box is a lens that I've wanted to get for a very long time. It was actually a recommendation from my brother-in-law. It's a good size and hopefully going to remain the one lens that stays on this camera most of the time. So, if you guessed which lens that I got, write it in the comment below and let's have a look and see. Alright, so let's get into this thing. Got my knife. Go. Okay, so the first thing we have inside the box today is the filters. Looks like there's a nice little pouch for them too. There sure is. So, have a little pouch here. And you got your three different filters. You've got an ultraviolet UV, circular polarizer, and a fluorescent filter. I'll probably have to pick up an ND filter as well. Okay, and then this guy here is a lens pouch. Yeah. There we go. So we got the lens pouch, neoprene, pretty cool. The lens pen, always need one of those. We've got a cap as well. Cleaning cloth. Okay, and now for la pièce de la résistance. There she is. Okay, so the original lens, what are these things called? Somebody help me out here. What do they call it? It doesn't say it on it. Anyway, to protect from the sun hitting the lens, glare, I guess, this hood, ring, that guy. The original one came with it, plus we have an additional one, as well as the original case, lens case. We got kind of duplicates, but that's because I bought a white box lens as opposed to a pretty box. I bought a white box lens, a little bit cheaper. Anyway, the lens that I bought is an 18-105. It is a 3.5 to a 5.8 ED. There we go, right there. That's the one. Alright, so let's have a look at this and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the 18 to the 105. So there we go, we got 18. Then we can go all the way into 105. There we go. There we go, right into the 105. And then back out to the 18. So this should be a pretty versatile lens for sure. Definitely going to like having this on the camera. It's going to give me a lot more options when I'm taking my shots, giving me, you know, that ability to zoom in a little bit more. Next lens that I want to buy is a telephoto, but unfortunately the kids need to go to university, so I don't think I'm going to be affording one of those anytime soon. So these will have to do. So that was the lens kit that I bought on Amazon Prime Day. Super pumped about having this 18-105. Also came with the all-important filters, so I'm going to put some of them on there to protect the camera. I think I have a UV one, right? I'll be outside most of the time. Yeah, I have a UV. So we'll throw the UV filter on here, protect the lens a little bit. Well, I look forward to sharing my adventures with the 18-105 with you, so make sure you smash that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And if you like this one, consider giving it a like. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.